Devotees across the nation are observing Laxmi Puja or the Hojagiri festival today on Monday, a highly auspicious Hindu festival dedicated to Goddess Laxmi, the deity of wealth, prosperity and good fortune. However, the people of the state face little challenges because of the rain from morning. Hojagiri festival or the Laxmi Puja is observed a 7th day after Durga Puja. The people across the state are excited to celebrate Hojagiri festival with joyous and happiness. Devotees across the nation are observing Laxmi Puja or the Hojagiri festival today on Monday, a highly auspicious Hindu festival dedicated to Goddess Laxmi, the deity of wealth, prosperity and good fortune. The main worship often performed offerings typically include sweets, fruits, lotus flowers and sacred pot filled with water and coins, symbolizing abundance. Ardent lamps and candles illuminate homes. Following the worship, families are celebrating with special feasts, the exchange of gifts and sweets, and traditional lighting of firecrackers. The festival is a powerful marker of unity, gratitude, and a collective hope for a prosperous year ahead.
Baji, mukha. Apa khorang deh? Dah. Pakai. Ni nau tar baji banyak, baji sok mana?
Laxmi Puja ni.
Kaya bisi besok ramai rita.
Bisi burung naruh.
Bontang ini marah sa.
Macam kupang palinan bagi rota, kau macam ronda kau zakta.
Kaya taita mo san bono.
Taita tam sana ni, basa burung naruh itonggo. Kau tabuk tini burugo. Ulo burung nai, pakai jam sa. Malaki ini bosa
Apa?
Wasia.
Pati bosor dah pakai kan?
Pati bosor na bosor wasia bo. Laxmi Puja jauh, puja jauh.
Omo buku ni sih mau hai kaja kaya pemen.
Aji siri ni sini kaya peka. Hasan sini kaya pemen bro.
Oh malaki na.
Malaki ni.
Palai pai so Laxmi Puja bisi burung na palai yo.
However, the people of the state, including puja organizers, face little challenges because of the rain since the beginning day of the Durga Puja celebration. Likewise, it was raining continuously from Monday morning on the Hojagiri day across the state. Pure report, Chini Khorang.